Today, Asia is indisputably the global leader driving investments and economic growth, with China, the Republic of Korea, Japan, India and ASEAN powering this momentum. Asia is not only home to a combined population of over 3.5 billion people, but more importantly, the combined GDP of Asia also accounts for 32% of the global GDP. Thailand's centrality naturally forms the hub connecting Asian economies. From north to south, starting from China down to Indonesia and Oceania, and from east to west, linking Vietnam to Myanmar. Thailand is also strategically located at the heart of the ASEAN Economic Community, or AEC, already a centre for regional production, trade, exports and transportation. Furthermore, Thailand is surrounded by the world's fastest growing economies, CLMV, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar and Vietnam. Thailand is undoubtedly the best investment destination in ASEAN, providing connectivity to both Asia and the world. The Eastern Economic Corridor will be the pivotal point for Thailand as we progress towards Thailand 4.0. The EEC's goal is to be the most complete and modern special economic zone, the EEC metropolis of the future, gateway to Asia. For over 30 years, Thailand's eastern coastal area, or the eastern seaboard, has been instrumental to the Thai economy, linking trade and investment with the rest of the world. The eastern seaboard has been one of the major regional industrial areas, including petrochemical investments that rank in the top 5 in Asia. And it is also a major global production base for motor vehicles and electronics, with integrated deep-sea ports and modern facilities. Moreover, the area is rich with energy sources and raw materials for manufacturing, and an important source for professionals and high-skilled labor in Asia. The EEC is the most suitable location for investment with the greatest potential to lead the Asian economy. The Royal Thai government is therefore determined to build upon our success with the Eastern Seaboard and lift its capabilities to become the Eastern Economic Corridor. The EEC covers an area of approximately 13,000 square kilometers, ready to be centers for industries of the future and an ideal place for regional headquarters for the world's top companies. The EEC will also become the integrated center for trade, investment and transportation, including the development of new cities and tourist destinations capable of accommodating investors and tourists alike and raising Thailand's profile to be the center of the Asian economy in the coming decades. The most complete development plan is underway for a fully integrated and inclusive transportation and logistics network in Thailand. Sea transportation development plans include the following: Lam Chabang Port, which is now Thailand's main cargo port for containers and motor vehicles. There is a plan for expanding its capacity to accommodate freight containers up to 18 million TEU and 3 million cars annually. Upon completion, Lam Chabang Port will rank among the world's top 15 cargo ports and will serve as the gateway to Indochina, as well as the most important logistics hub in ASEAN. Map Ta Phut Industrial Port Phase 3 is designated for transports of liquid freight and natural gas, which are important raw materials for energy production and advanced petrochemical industry. Sattahip Commercial Port, our third deep-sea port, will be upgraded and modernized to become an international cruise and ferry port, meeting global standards and ready to accommodate the region's growing shipbuilding industry and offshore oil rig assembly industry. Furthermore, establishing new ferry ports will connect major tourist destinations and linking both sides of the Gulf of Thailand for the first time. Air transport development plans include upgrading Utapao Airport into a modern international airport with improvements and expansions to existing runways and constructing a new airport terminal to accommodate the rising number of passengers, as well as the planned inclusion of complementary integrated transport and logistics industries. With full support and incentives, Utapao International Airport is also set to become an advanced aviation MRO centre, including home to aviation-related industries. In combination with existing Don Mueang and Suvarnabhumi airports, Utapao International Airport will complete the synergistic network, allowing Thailand to become the aviation hub of Asia. Land transportation development plans include high-speed rail projects which link the three international airports, Don Mueang, Suvarnabhumi and Utapao, to improve connectivity and reduce travel costs and time. Dual-track railways from industrial sites across the country will be built to connect the three deep-sea ports, Lam Chabang Port, Sattahip Port and Map Ta Phut Industrial Port, to achieve greater logistics and freight efficiency. With planned expansion of motorways from Bangkok to Rayong, the variety and availability of road transport will be enhanced. EEC is our pivot, which will propel Thailand to become the hub of advanced industries and highly integrated commercial networks. 10 main industries are being promoted as the key driving forces of sustainable economic growth. This entails upgrading 5 existing industries with immense potentials through the injection of technology into next-generation automotive, smart electronics, advanced agriculture and biotechnology, food processing and tourism. 5 new industries will also be promoted, such as robotics and mechatronics for both industrial and daily life, integrated aviation industry, comprising aviation repair center, spare parts, as well as aviation training center, is to be located in the area of Utapao International Airport, medical hub and integrated wellness center, bioeconomy, particularly biochemicals and bioenergy. More importantly, the petrochemical industrial zone in Map Ta Phut will be expanded to be more integrated via utilization of advanced and environmentally friendly technologies. The EEC will also focus on supporting automobile industry of the future, such as electric cars, as well as encouraging greater integration of commercial activities and establishing duty-free zones around our seaports and airports, and free trade zones which are eligible for most generous tax and financial incentives available to attract international headquarters, international trading companies, treasury centers and regional research and development centers for leading multinationals. Along with upgrading major industries, the EEC will also support the thriving tourism industry, where Pattaya City, renowned for its attractions and residential areas, will be upgraded to be the top tourist attraction and livable city in the world. The EEC will truly fulfill all expectations of perfect work-life balance. The development of the EEC will be governed by the Eastern Economic Corridor Act, which will be the first act of its kind in Thailand's history, where the entire focus is on region-specific development. The EEC, the most strategic area for investment for the future. The EEC, a new metropolis of the future. The EEC, gateway to Asia. The EEC, the new economic hub for Asia. The EEC, offering the perfect future for every investor worldwide.